Hello, this is Monica Gomez, and I prepared another mouse marinated SHEB Raynamonaville, and I made conchitas with the unmeat tuna can. That's all tuna in there. And I put a little pouch of vegetable broth and from the Dollar Tree, and then I also put garlic, vegetable oil, omega-3, omega-6. And I put 1 bag of ready-made Spanish rice. And I put cilantro, salt, and pepper. And this is how yummy that came out to look like. Yeah, so good. Look at that. Yummy edibleness. Super yummy. The conchitas are super yummy and super good. Like soft. Very, very good. I jaw drill there for a moment. Look at that. Food chemistry. Look at the spices swimming in there. Yeah, that is really good, y'all. Glistening, yummy, 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 yummy. Cuisine. Look at how it just slides right off. So good. Very edible. I was going to make fajita today, but tomorrow I guess I'll make it from the Vita Week gluten. And I was thinking, do I put taco seasoning or do I put fajita seasoning? I just put some fajita seasoning. I mix it up with the sauce. Instead of fajita sauce, I'm going to try enchilada sauce with the verde sauce to give it that flavor on the inside and on the outside of the dough that I'm going to mash up into a steak, fajita steak. So I've tried it before. It comes out really good with the salsa verde enchilada sauce. Comes out very yummy. So yeah, this one was very easy to do. I got the small conchitas and I got the large conchitas in there. I got 1 can of the plant-based tuna. And I got the salt, pepper, vegetable oil, omega-3, omega-6. 1 ready-made Spanish rice. And I boiled it together with water. And the water just disintegrates in there as you boil it for about 10 minutes, 7 to 10 minutes. And it was ready. I put about 1.5 cups of water. So that's how yummy this edible dish came out to look like. Tell them I'm watching you. Open wide. Look at that. Slide in. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Can I get a whoop, whoop? Yummy. Auf Wiedersehen.